Hey y'all, it's Trish with GossMania Homestead. Welcome to our channel. It's been raining pretty good this evening and afternoon. I went and mowed the dog yard even though it was wet. Right now, I'm trying to clean up my tomato plants because all the rain has done this or there's not enough calcium. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean them up, get all the dead branches off of them. I'm working hard, y'all. They did this before, and this was a low line branch. This is about almost midway up. So, any recommendations is great, but I'm pretty sure they're low in calcium. So I'm probably going to crunch up some Tums, pour it into their bed. Their beds are soaking wet. I'm sure it's shocked too from it all. And my poor watermelon, I think I got a little rabbit eating on my leaves. So if tomorrow is a dry day, we might need to be putting up vents around the garden. The poor tomatoes, they're still doing good and producing. However, they're kind of dying. Leaves are molting, stressing on the way up. Even my cherry tomato is kind of doing this, so I'm trying to clean them up. Got a lot of the stress off of the leaves. Bring back, see that pile right there? That's all my tomato leaves. And my poor squash. It's getting sickly looking. One or two of them I'm pretty sure have vine borers. Yeah, I don't know if I should leave them or pull them up, cut the vine borers out, get rid of them, or whatever. See how sickly this one's looking. I'm debating on going ahead and taking this one up because I do have a few, but they're all out there getting it. That one even over there. And it's got deep in root. Yeah, it's got one in there. Our oaks that we had left, it's gone.
Oh, it was split. That's why I had to hold it. Look.
But still, it took it down. It had to be a little mini tornado come through because it's about the path where it was with it.
Oh no, I see it. It came from right
Came from this oak here.
It came from right there.
Right up there.
That whole entire tree fell.
Yeah, I gotta cut it up. I'm gonna leave the other part standing, maybe.
It had to go this way. Y'all, after all this bad weather we have never had or lost any trees. And it's been really windy, but evidently we probably had like a small little tornado come through and topple, knock this whole tree over. Pretty blessed my garden is still here because if it was any closer to the ground, and our house is still here, the trampoline did move. It was lifted off the ground about 4 inches on one side, but I have tie downs on it. We had this top, we tore down an old shed and we left the top over here, but evidently it took the top and slammed it against these trees over here. I need a bush hog right here. What you doing, babe? We have our front porch here that we had built when we moved the house, but we didn't have a top, and we're tired of the rain coming in the door, so we're putting up a top. Be right back. Cutting the tin, this tin to the roof. Robin's cut the slats to put up, well, kind of to brace the tin up at the top. So put up the first piece of tin. So